Update 1 on Tropical Storm Erika with winds of 45 miles an hour and a pressure of 1003 millibars in the Atlantic. Another possible threat to the Lesser Antilles. Its pressure is 1003 millibars moving west at 20 miles per hour. The storm is expected to move towards the west-northwest in the next 5 days in general, gradually intensifying over that period into a hurricane we expect by day 4 and 5 over the Turks and Caicos Islands and the Bahamas. So obviously this is something to watch out for the whole of the Western Atlantic area, the Lesser Antilles, Greater Antilles, and for the east coast of the United States, to see for any further development with this storm. It could be stronger or weaker than the forecast, and the track could be much different to the left or right of what we're currently predicting, but this is what we've got on the cards right now. Already we have tropical storm watches in effect for these areas from Guadeloupe extending northwards through Montserrat, Antigua, Barbuda, St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Barthélemy, St. Martin and Anguilla. They may be extended further west in the next few days, but probably not for a little while yet. We also may see tropical storm warnings be put into place very soon for some of these islands too, especially if Erika decides to strengthen, but it's holding intensity at the moment. Sea surface temperatures are fairly warm, around 27 or 28 degrees Celsius, and those are only going to increase as it moves towards the west-northwest. A little bit of cooler waters near the islands thanks to Danny, but not significant. And if it goes towards the western Atlantic near the coast of the Bahamas, it will intensify significantly, possibly with really high sea surface temperatures. Wind shear is looking okay right now, but really high towards the north, and dry air lies to the west in between Erika, and you can see here what's left of Danny, providing lots of rainfall by the looks of things over Puerto Rico at this time and the Virgin Islands. So here's the latest satellite imagery on how Erika's looking, and it's, well, not looking too great at the moment. It had a nice little flare up earlier on, and it was looking fine last night, but it seems to be struggling a little bit at the moment, as you'd probably expect, really, due to dry air to the northwest. And you can see it here on this imagery, shown in the yellowish colours, and wind shear, which is really rampant to the north of the storm, so there's hardly anything to the north of Erika right now. If we're going to see anything in terms of development, it'll probably be towards the south. But take a look at this HWRF model forecast predicting a Category 3 Erika moving towards the northwest and curving out towards out to sea, sort of. I don't think it'll be a threat to the US East Coast in particular, but we can't rule that out according to just this one model run. But that's what the HWRF is offering us right now, so we'll keep our eyes on that. Tropical Storm Erika isn't the only thing that's going on around the world. We also have Invest 96E, Tropical Depression 12, what's left of Kilo, and Hurricane Loki, a Category 1 storm. We also have Goni and Etsani still just about alive in the Western Pacific, but they're really on their way out. You can visit force13.com/tracker for the latest information on these storms, and of course you can also find us in other mediums as well, which I'll explain in a moment. Right now in 2015, these are the new stats by the way, 2015 lies 36th in the table with 56 tropical storms, that's since 1980, 30 cyclones or Category 1 hurricanes with winds of 74 miles per hour or higher, 21 Category 3 storms with winds of 115 miles per hour plus, and 8 Category 5s with winds of 160 miles per hour or higher. More than almost any of the year already. Remarkable. You can follow Force 13 on the website, force13.com. We saw it just now. You can also follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Search Force 13 all in text on there. You can also add Fool 13 on Skype for tropical weather chat at any time, and to join our discussion groups where we can discuss the storms with fellow storm trackers. You can also use it to be on one of our live events in future. The next one is going to be later on this evening at 5 PM Eastern Time. That's 9 PM UTC on August 25th. You don't want to miss that one, because we will be talking at length about Tropical Storm Erika and what it may be doing. But until then, that's all for now.